Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about cloud computing. In this video, I will give a brief introduction about the cloud computing. So I will elaborately discuss the detail about cloud computing in future videos. But I need your suggestion in the comment box. Okay. Now coming to the cloud computing, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is defined as storing and accessing of data and computing services over the internet. It doesn't store any data on your personal computer. Okay, this is not a technical definition. The technical definition and all this, all the details I will give you in the upcoming videos. But just for your understanding, I am giving you this cloud definition. What it does is that it defines the storing and accessing of data and computing services. Now, as you all know that why cloud computing come into the existence. It morely defines about your utility computing. Okay, utility computing. Just think for a moment. Uh, s- think for a moment. If you want to work with some softwares or computers, then what you need to do? You need to purchase the computer. You need to with some amount, and you have to install that software into your system. That will cost you something. So together you are investing a lot of money on your system or with for the software uh, to work with. So in that respect, just think for a moment. Now if you are going to a internet cafe and you are asking to browse the internet. So how you pay? You pay per hour basis. Okay, per hour. So you pay to the internet cafe per hour basis. It may be 10 rupees per hour or 20 rupees per hour. It depends on the internet cafe person. Okay. So similarly, what happens in cloud computing? It is assumed that there are a lot of resources available in the internet. Okay. What you need to do is that whatever the amount of resources that you are going to use, you are going to pay for that one. So in this case, what happens? The expenditure that you incur to purchase a system and to purchase a software can be largely minimized, right? Okay. So but whenever you use any resource in the cloud computing, so you have to pay for it. So it charges pay for per hour basis. Okay, it cost you very minimum amount, and you can do your work. So you can also customize the things. There are many more things that you can do with the cloud computing. This is what the this is what is the cloud computing. Okay. Now next point that we are going to discuss is it is on demand availability or availability of computers. On demand means as many computers or as many resources you can want, and you can avail the resources. It is pool of resources. You can access any amount of resources. There is no restriction in it. But what you have to do is that you have to pay for it. Whatever amount of resources that you are going to use, you have to pay for it. And whatever amount you are going to pay, it is very minimum compared to if you really will have all those resources physically with you. Okay. Next, the main purpose of cloud computing is to give access to data centers. Data centers is what pool of resources to many users, and user can also access data from remote servers. Okay, this can be possible through internet. Let's see an example. Okay, here see all of you can see this figure. We have end users, and these end users will have computer system with internet connection, and this is cloud computing, and this is internet, and you can connect to a data center. Okay, data center of center where pool of resources are available, and you can access those resources. Okay, it may be storage resources, it may be software, it may be computer, whatever hardware, whatever it is, you can access it, but you have to pay for it. So this is only possible in by the evolution of your cloud computing. Okay, this is a brief introduction I have given you. If you need more on this topic, you can give your suggestion in the comment box. Thank you all.